Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Before watching the video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video and also share my video with your friend. Today in this video, I will tell you about mehndi design. If you are like mehndi design, then you can visit my channel because my channel have different types of mehndi design. All mehndi design are simple, elegant, stylish and gorgeous. If you can watch my channel, then you can discover different types of mehndi design. All these mehndi design are stylish, simple. If you like simple mehndi design, then you can check playlist of my channel because my channel has different playlists. One of the playlists is based on simple mehndi design and the other playlist is based on heavy bridal mehndi design. You can check my channel and also check the playlist and search mehndi design according to your requirement. If you want a bridal mehndi design, my channel have different types of bridal mehndi design, full heavy bridal mehndi design of backhand and also tikki mehndi design also available for bridal. It's depend on you which type of mehndi design would you like. Indian wedding at the best will often the bridal mehndi design with mehndi in their hand floating their design. It has a combination of red and black color mehndi with floral and fuzzy pattern, and the petal have given a red color shading inside the highlight the design. The extension from the palm of the forehead of the mehndi design are front and back hand, and the color depend on the deep oral mehndi design. Oral lip on the brow mehndi design of the stylish, unique and good. If anyone has a light golden skin complexion, then feel free to front this style of mehndi art, which incorporate the soft golden bead into pretty floral pattern that patients wave their way up to top into the regional trend. Anyone can change the color combination based on the outfit that much fun. The palm mehndi design with a peacock as the center of the attraction is best suited for girl of the most of the heart of the mehndi design on her front end. Relation to the hot mehndi design, palm is the best placement for the simple design of mehndi of a girl on a bridal mehndi design.